Hey Ronos crew, Roman here. We're always talking about how to make what you need out of what you have. Conveniently enough, around the entire world, you're always going to find plastic trash. One thing you're going to need in any situation is some type of rope or line. So you can actually make line out of plastic containers. Online, there's a lot of videos that tell you how to do it by making an apparatus out of a 2x4 or metal or a razor blade and things like that. But you're not going to have those materials out in the wilderness. So I'm going to show you how to do it using a simple knife, fixed blade preferably, and then a tree with a sturdy branch. Once you find the tree that you want to use with a proper branch at a good height, you're going to take your knife and you're going to place it above the branch at the width that you want your line to be. Unfortunately, when you're cutting your own line, you can't make it super thin, well, you can, but it's very difficult to. So about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch is a good distance. And then what you're going to do is you're going to drive the knife in. Ideally, just kind of push it in as much as you can. And then if you can, take a log or a rock and then drive it in a little bit further. Once you got your knife positioned, you can take your bottle and place it in front of the blade. Make sure the sharp edge of the blade is facing away from you. You don't want to be pushing into the blade and end up possibly cutting yourself. Holding the bottle at an angle, start pulling it towards you, cutting into that bottle. Once you've cut a couple inches, you'll be able to grab this little pigtail that you just cut and then start pulling. Once you've got it going, start pulling on the tab, provide downward pressure on the bottle, and it'll start cutting your line. Once you're done, straighten out the bottle, pull it straight off. Not very uniform, but you've got some decent line in order to tie up a shelter or whatever else you might need. And there you have it. About 6 feet of line out of a plastic bottle in a matter of seconds. This has been a Ronos, and now you know.